So firstly, what you have to do is just simply open a canvas. So for me, I'm just simply going to open an Instagram post canvas, which is going to be 1080 by 1080 as you can see right over here. Now, in order for you to create QR codes, you will need apps. So all you have to do is go to the app section over here. Then just simply search for QR code, or just simply search for QR. And then just simply open QR code. Now over here, you will find a lot of applications that you can try, but there are two most important that you should try. So the first one is this one over here. So just simply click on this one over here. And as you can see, it is made by Canva. So click on open. And now just simply enter a link that you want. So for example, google.com. Now, all you have to do is click on the customize option. And right over here, you can change the background and the foreground color. So the foreground color over here will be the color of the QR itself, and the background will be background. So after that, you will have an option of margin. So you can just simply decide how much margin you want to put, and then click on generate code. And as you can see right over here, it gave us a basic QR code. Now, as you can see, this is not transparent. So let me change the color of the background over here so you can see more clearly. So as you can see right over here, this QR code is not transparent. But if you want a transparent or a more dynamic QR code, I will show you how to do that as well. So let's move this to a side. And now, again go to the app section. And this time, just simply open this application over here, which is going to be dynamic QR code made by HoverCode. So you don't need to sign up for HoverCode over here to use the application. You can do it without that. All you have to do is click on open. Now wait for a few seconds. So over here, you will have a lot of templates to try. So I'm going to choose this one over here. And now again, just like before, enter your link right over here. And then in the QR code color, just simply pick whatever color you want. And in the background color, you will have an option of transparency or transparent background. If you want, you can choose this option. And as you can see right over here, the background is not disappeared. So after that, you will have another option to upload a logo in the center of the QR code itself. So let me show you what I mean. So if I click on upload logo, and then if you want, you can upload your logo over here. So after uploading a logo, so after that, you will find your logo right over here. And now just click add to design. Now wait for a few seconds, and then you will have your QR code with your logo, as you can see right over here. And it is completely scannable too. So that's how you create QR code in Canva. And you can subscribe to Canva from the link provided to you in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.